have arrived. We're in Windsor for the day because tomorrow morning we're picking our daughter up from the airport. We're really not far from Heathrow.
So the flight lands at 6:30 in the morning, which is why we thought we'd spend the day down here and stay overnight. Save us travelling down tomorrow. Gives us an excuse for a nice day out. And what a lovely day it is too.
So we're about to enter Windsor Great Park and we're going to join the long walk to head into Windsor. Right, that's where we're going, towards the castle. We want to have tea with the royal family, don't we, Elaine? This is the back way into Windsor Castle, the main frontage where the general public go into, around the front in the town, which we're heading for now. Ah, well, there's the main entrance, and there's my favourite thing in the world, scaffolding. Has to be done. We're here and we want a quick walk on Bath's Island alongside the River Thames. There's the River Thames over there. Once we get off this island, we're going to walk riverside and head towards the main bridge. If we kept walking in this direction, eventually we'd end up in London.
Should we do it?
Shall we?
See how long it takes.
Oh, quite a long time. They look tasty. Follow the flags to Eton. Barnes Pool. So all this is Eton College. A lot of history around here. The school library. I'm not a member though. And it's Sunday. Very pretty houses around here. Elaine has spotted a statue. That statue. Back to Eton College. Sorry, Eton College is currently closed to the public, but I can stick my head round the corner surely. Oh wow. There you go. As far as we can go. Impressive place. Back to Windsor Bridge and hopefully find somewhere to have a drink. Well, a well-deserved cup of tea after all that walking. Ooh. Dash of spilt milk can't take me anywhere.
Tea by the river.
Well, we were going to have tea with the king, but apparently he wasn't available. Back at the bridge, we're going to head back up towards the castle.